30 billion. There are people talking about 40 billion insured loss. So how does that fit with your own expectations of what you've seen?
I mean, I think when you do a quick math of 16,000 times an average value in the area, you're in that range. It's pretty wide range of home. I mean, Pacific Palisades, Malibu have very high-end homes. And so, there's multi-million-dollar structures in each one of those locations. There's a lot of commercial real estate in there too. So the commercial side is going to have an impact on it. But so, yeah, sure, 35 to 45 billion, could be. And the other part of it is actually insured losses versus economic losses. I think a lot of the neighborhoods are going to be impacted. They're going to redo infrastructure. And that, again, is going to delay the rebuild part of it and ramp up the additional living expenses. And so it just because it's so concentrated in a very expensive, populated area, this is going to have a lot of different sides to each claim settlement.